Hi, my name is LaShonda Brown. I'm a Flodesk partner based in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia, and I'm the tech educator behind the channel Bootstrap Biz Advice on YouTube. So maybe you have seen me on YouTube doing Flodesk tutorials. I've got a playlist of over 30 tutorials about the platform, but in this video, I'll be sharing with you what I love about the updated analytics behind the Flodesk platform. Making data-driven decisions in your business is going to help you to refine your marketing efforts, and ultimately it's going to drive better results. So many of us are so used to the creative side of Flodesk, but those analytics, being able to see clear as day what is working and what is not working, is going to actually help you to improve the overall performance of your account over time. You can also easily export that data if you want to analyze it further or create a report. You can analyze your email open and click-through rates over time, which will help you to identify trends and maybe optimize your future email campaigns. You can use the subscriber information to assess what's an effective way to grow your list. Are your lead magnets converting or not? Maybe you can limit some of them or even whittle it down to a signature opt-in to really help your list take off. You can identify segments with the best click-through rates, and then you can start creating additional content for those high converting audiences. Sometimes the effectiveness of your emails is directly correlated to when you actually send them. So if you go inside of your dashboard and you take a look at your analytics, try to see what are the best days and times to send your emails and make adjustments so that you can improve your open rate. The analytics updates are just one of the few feature rollouts that have happened over the last few months. So I would encourage you to log into your Flodesk account and check out some of those incredible new features.